Hello all, welcome back. Today we are unboxing and reviewing DJI OM5, the latest gimbal in the market. So let's see how it is, what's inside the box. So the box looks neat and let's cut it. So as you can see, this is the main gimbal. Keep it aside for a moment. This is the mobile phone holder. This will go here and it will be, you can stick it here. And this is the selfie stick where like a tripod, you can connect here and you can use it like a tripod. We have to figure out how to make it work. And this is the carry tag, charger and paperwork. Let's see what's inside this. So nice carry case provided along with this, and this will go here. Let's power it on. As you can see, green light, and so let me show you with the phone. I have fixed the phone, so you can see you can control the phone position using this dial pad, and it's easy to remove when you get a call or something. So the gimbal is in standby mode. Once you connect your phone, it can be tricky initially. So yeah, and you press this button, it comes back into position, and you're good to go. You can use it for taking a picture or taking a video. Just installed the app and looks good. So there is a tutorial. It connected instantly without any issue, and there is some tutorial in the DJI Mimo app on how to use it and all. So yeah, let's try. So this is the record button. It is suggesting me to click on this. So as you can see here, it says we are good with recording. This is the joystick over here. So that can be used to control the gimbal, and back there is a button where you can turn on, turn off modes and all. So it's suggesting me to use this one. So double tapping that back button would recenter the gimbal, and so there is an option to focus on a subject. So this is active track feature where I selected this subject. So it is locked onto this. So whenever that is moved, you can see the phone is being moved. There is a press to M button to switch to photo mode. You can see here there is an M button which will convert it to photo. You can see the button color change to white here, and tapping on the record button, which we tried in the first step, will actually click a picture now. So that was the tutorial, quick one from them. So now it's in the photo mode. So I'm clicking M here. You can see it changed to video mode, and you can record a video. So on clicking this button, it will turn into landscape mode. So as you can see, it is in landscape mode, and when I click a record, it will record in landscape mode, and we can control from here only. This one, the tripod stand, what we discussed in the beginning of the video, this can be used as an extension for selfies, taking selfies or anything. If we don't need it, we can just hold it here where you want to control it. So these were some of the features of this gimbal. So going forward, in all my videos, we would be using this one. So it will make the video stable. So this last part of the video is being recorded using this. So hope you all liked it. Please like, share and subscribe. See you all soon.